Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making a delicious Mexican Buddha bowl. Now, a Buddha bowl is a great way to combine interesting ingredients and present it in a very fun way. I've put some of my favorite ingredients into this bowl. I love Mexican food anyway, and I've added quinoa as my base. I'm going to throw in some beans, some corn, avocado, some fresh Pico de Gallo, some roasted shrimp, and I'm going to top it off with a delicious avocado dressing. I know you're dying to know how to make this, but before we go any further, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm going to marinate 500 grams of shelled and deveined shrimp very simply with 1 teaspoon of Mexican chili powder, the juice of half a lime, and I'm also going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm just going to marinate this and leave it aside while I work on the other ingredients. To make this bowl a little healthier, I'm going to be using quinoa instead of rice. Now, quinoa is super easy to prepare. I'm just going to cook 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of stock for some extra flavor. Cook this according to the package instructions and just leave it aside. Next, I'm going to boil some frozen corn and I'm going to leave this aside as well. I'm also going to make a quick avocado creamy dressing. I'm going to smush about half a cup of ripe and cubed avocado. Notice that I'm using a mojito muddler to squish this down. You can check out my top 10 tool video that I'm going to leave at the end of this video as well as in the description. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ranch dressing, a tablespoon of chopped coriander, and I'm going to mix everything well and just leave it aside. I want to make a quick pico de gallo for this delicious Buddha bowl, so I'm going to quickly chop up some cherry tomatoes. About half a cup should be enough. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely diced onion, a couple of tablespoons of coriander, and as much minced chili or jalapeno as you can handle. I'm also going to add the juice of half a lime, a little bit of salt, and I'm going to mix everything together. In an oiled and sautéed pan, I'm going to sear the shrimp just for a minute or so on each side. You really don't want to overcook your shrimp. It's now time to assemble my Buddha bowl. I'm going to start with the quinoa, add some corn, some Pico de Gallo. I also have some canned pinto beans here for some extra protein and more protein with half a boiled egg, some sliced avocado, a lime wedge. I'm going to add some of that shrimp, some coriander for garnish, and finally some of that avocado cream. Add a little hint of pepper and your Mexican Buddha bowl is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious Mexican Buddha bowl. I love to take leftovers to work the next day. It makes a really healthy lunch. Do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. Share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, so please help me get there. Also ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care, guys. Bye. Also, ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you.